every, each, either, neither. Do you know? I want to teach you about these words in English. They are really common in English. People use them all the times. I want to teach you about how to use them and how to understand them better. But please, a moment. You are in English with JL, this channel. Please subscribe with this channel in order to have a video. Let's see firstly, every and each. Every and each are both determiners that are used to refer to all the members of a group or a set. However, there are some difference in their usage. Let's see. Every is used to refer to each individual member of a group or set without exceptions. It implies that the members are being considered as a whole and that the statement applies to all of them. For example, every student in the class must pass the final exam. It means that there are no exceptions and that every single student in the class must pass the final exam. Do you get me? Well, each now. Each is also used to refer to every individual member of a group or set, but it emphasizes the individuality of each member. It is often used when we want to focus on individual members of a group rather than the group as a whole. For example, each student must pass the final exam. Emphasizes that each student must pass the final exam, but it doesn't imply that there are no exceptions. In summary, very emphasizes the group as a whole and implies no exceptions, while each emphasizes the individual members of the group. Do you understand? Let's keep on with either and neither. Please remember to subscribe with this channel. Still, either is used to refer to one of the two options or choices that is used to indicate a choice between two possibilities or to include one of two possibilities. For example, you can either come to the party or stay home. Means that you have a choice between attending the party or staying at home. Neither is used to indicate that none of two options or choices are not true or acceptable. It is used to negate both of the options or choices. For example, neither of the candidates received enough votes to win the election. It means that both of the candidates did not receive enough votes to win. Tell me, do you really understand the lesson? If so, please subscribe with this channel. And we love you so much in English with JL. Thanks for watching.